Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm starting another series on sandwiches and I'll be making a variety such as the tuna and sweet corn, the famous BLT, that's the bacon, lettuce and tomatoes, and I'll be making some egg mayos and watercress. To make the cheese sandwich, I've got mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar cheese or any cheese of your choice, and I have some sliced tomatoes. The bread slices onto your board and you can spread a little bit of butter. This is optional. Add about a tablespoon of cheese. Spread over the bread slices and add a few slices of tomatoes onto the bread and cover with the other slice. If you want, you can remove the crust or leave the crust on. I'm going to leave the crust on, but I'll do one finger. You can cut into different shapes. You can use different cutters. So I'm going to do one finger and triangles. I'm making a buffet platter, so I'm going to cut it into small triangles. Display onto your platter, ready for service. I'm going to garnish with some parsley. You can garnish with tomatoes or any herb or salad of your choice. Enjoy.